Today we're going to make a simple office sign. Place the lettering in position, use a ruler if required and tape the corners to hold it using masking tape. Then with another piece of tape, make a vertical hinge like this. Remove the corner pieces. Now carefully remove the backing paper. Smooth the lettering down with your squeegee from left to right. Remove the central hinge and do the same on the other side. Now you can gently remove the application tape to reveal your letters. You can design your own text at tribalsigns.co.uk for all sorts of signs including this one. Thanks for watching.